What's up, guys? It's Noob here, because yeah, and stuff. And we are back with another video, because why not? And we are playing Beastform again. And I look much different. So let me explain. I tried recording more Beastform videos 3 other times, but they're all fails. One of them was way too laggy. Actually, 2 of them were way too laggy. So, yeah. One of them, it got lost, like the original episode 2. I couldn't find it anywhere. So, yeah. But I did some stuff, a lot. So technically, a lot of off-camera stuff. Because I look much different, and I have this. Because I used to have 200,000 honey. And when I was recording one of the videos, I was super laggy. I went up there to the shop. Because there's a new shop. And yeah. And bought this stuff. My 200,000 coins. So yeah. But I did tons of off-camera bee collecting. As you can see here, there's some more off-camera bees. I think these 3 are all off-camera. Maybe this 4. Can't remember. But still. Fire bee, I got. Because why not? So yeah, and stuff. This one, I just got completely off-camera. I was not recording. These 2, I got while recording. Because yeah, and stuff. So yeah, cause yeah. And yeah, they're some of my favorite bees. I'm back with the bees. Yeah. This is absolutely amazing. I think. Is this absolutely amazing? I cannot tell. I think it's absolutely amazing. Hey everyone. Yeah, I'm doing so good. But let me show you the new shop. Because it's really cool. So the first way to get in the shop is by slingshotting yourself there. With this, you need 8 bees to do it. I have 8 bees. Bam, new shop. This is it. Tons of new stuff. I got that and this here. So yeah, and stuff. Cause yeah, so yeah, and penguins, cause yeah. There's also this, I think, use the treat dispenser. There's also a matching game. In one of my videos, I like that. Like, not a failed attempts, but it was completely useless. It didn't do anything. You had a chance to win tons of honey, but I failed immediately. So I couldn't. It sucked. No, we do not want to go over there. There are some monsters that spawn. There's that. I don't know what that does. There's this, and there's a giant snail. Wait. Are they gonna kill the snail? If they kill the snail, I'm going over there and taking all of the honey it drops. Also, Science Bee is right here. I mean, Science Bear. Hey, Science Bear. Yes, I understand. Okay, goodbye, Science Bear. So yeah, that's really it. Wait, is it defeated? Is the big slug defeated? No, it's not. Can you guys defeat it already? I'm sort of waiting here. Come on. Try and watch the show. Just defeat him. He's at 9 million health. Let's collect honey. No, those guys are gonna spawn. I knew it. Destroy him. Yeah. Tons of stuff. The Primantis, no way. That guy has 115 health. Stop collecting. This way. Okay. Now, is the snail defeated already? I am seriously waiting. I don't want to come up there, though. No, guys. Do not fight. I'm running away. No one fight. Okay, all my bees come back. Let's move. Oh, no, beetle. Destroy the beetle. Ooh, festive gift. I just want the festive gift. I'm sorry. I really just want the festive gift. Ooh, you're all dead. Nice. Tons of honey. Good job, bees. You did such a great job. Okay. Now to keep moving this way. Yeah! Onward! So yeah. There's some stuff there. Because why not? Leaderboards. Okay. Okay. Okay! How much does a new bee cost? Nope, I cannot afford. But I do have lots of items. Let's see. And 5 royal jellies. I have a lot. So sadly we can't get a new bee, but you guys got 3 in this episode. So be happy. I guess you sort of got 3. I mean, 1 off camera, 2 in other episode. But never got uploaded. So yeah, and stuff. Hello. Hi. Okay. Let's collect honey. Maybe. What are my quests? I need quests. Discover 5 bee types. Did that. Collect 20,000 white pollen. I'm collecting some as we speak. So let's collect some more. Yeah! Woohoo! Collect a lot of white pollen, guys. We need a lot. Yahoo! Dude, honey. Okay. Let's go fast. Yeah, let's do it. Come on. We can do it. I give up. I'm about to give up. It's too much work. Okay. I really want to give up right now. Can I please give up right now? Okay, can you guys just do the work? Okay, fine. Okay. Ooh, what's up here? Oh no, ladybug, 20 health, and the beetle, 16, I'm dead. I have health up there, I don't want to die. Come on, bees, help me. We need honey, yes. Bees are absolutely amazing. Okay, good. Because yeah and stuff, so yeah, cause yeah. Oh no, another beetle. Get them! Yeah. No honey. Okay. Good job, bees. Man, I'm really proud of you. Let's go down here. Okay, fight the beetle. Yeah. Fight the beetle. Yes. Demo bee leveled up. Nice, Demo bee. It's Bucko Bee's lair. I want to go in the Bucko Bee HQ. Let me in. No, I have a Bucko Bee. See? He's my starter bee, and he's my favorite bee. Come on, help me out. I think he's my favorite bee. My second favorite bee is Fire Bee, of course, because he's Fire Bee. And who are you? Leave me alone. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end off the video here because why not? So yeah, and stuff. Get that. Destroy him. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe because why not? Like because why not?